Day, ma'am and sir. I'm Eden Paloma. I'm 44 years old, single mom with three kids. It's 24, 22, and 19. They are all boys. I'm ex-abroad from Saudi since 2012 until 2014. Also ex-abroad from Jordan since 2014 to 16. Doing the household chores like washing, ironing, marketing, taking care of children, and taking care of the house of my employer. And recently, I'm ex-abroad in Hong Kong also. 4 years straight, 2 years course that I finished to my previous employer. They have two kids, a 7 years old girl and also a twin babies, months old that I've taken care of. Hope you will give me a chance to work with you also. And I will promise to finish my contract if you were giving me a chance to work to you there and also going back to do my work and my job to you, sir and mom. Have a good day and thank you.